So another video with Nixie dabbling. I got another kit here, and it's actually a duplicate of one that I showed earlier, and it's a Gra and Fitch IN14 Nixie clock. It's a 6-tuber. So I think my goal was, when I bought this, I think I was going to build both of them and then gift one. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing, is the same exact kit as an earlier video. So it's got all the awesome IN14, of course, anything from Gra and Fitch. They all got that deference meter. Every single one of them. And it's all pre-programmed, even though this is an Arduino. Is this an Arduino? Yeah, it is an Arduino Shield IN14. Same exact board as the other one. It's got all the beautiful gold plating for the tubes, sockets, and all the surface mount components. So the only thing that is through hole are the jacks. So one is the 3.5mm jack. There's some pin header stuff on there. Buzzer. No, not the buzzer. Buzzer's through hole too. And then the it does have some buttons, so you don't need to hook up to a computer or anything like that to program this particular one. So you get the there's a temperature jack too. Temperature jack and GPS for coordinating the clock. So that's got to be. I think I do have the temperature sensors for these, and then I have no idea what I'm going to do with the GPS. That's probably be separate. But same exact things like the other IN14 clocks. Got all the beautiful column separators for your dots. Same exact columns that this guy's got. So if you notice them awesome columns, I love them. Absolutely love them. They make a Nixie clock just nice. Got the little sockets for them, and of course the shrink tubing, so you can do a little customizing with your columns. You can either keep the neons, almost on top of each other, or you can space them out, one on the top of the tube and one on the bottom of the tube, or maybe offset them, or you have to design them. It's got all the other bits, just like the other kit. Your resistors, your miscellaneous hardware, your battery backup holder there. What's this? Here's the Arduino Shield. So it's got all the bits and parts in it to operate the clock. And then all the IN14 tubes. So there's 3 of them in there. All the beautiful tubes. Got one out, Rogue. They're all beautiful. And these guys, the board has socket tubes, so in case you get a bad tube, you can just hot swap it and not have to solder and desolder and all that other stuff. Like the torture I went through with Yana over here replacing tubes. I think I had intentions on maybe yanking out all them tubes if one ever went bad again, and just putting all sockets in all of them. I think that was my original intention. And then all the, of course, everything is all marked and stuff like that. So we got the pin headers, we got the diodes, and they're all marked on the if you want to build an awesome kit, even though it's a little bit more advanced than most people are accustomed to, everything is marked. You don't have to guess. You don't have to measure. You don't have to know component values. It's very nice, very easy. You just have to take your time and go through the steps. Of course, the most fun part is straightening all the wires, because IN14 uses wires for their Nixies, and unlike the IN18s where they got the nice little harder studs that come out of the bottom of the tube. All your ICs to run the clock, and the high voltage drivers to drive the Nixies. And then all your caps, because your kit is only good as your crap capacitors. And all your awesome socket pins. So these little guys come in different flavors. So if you want to retrofit pins, you can. And for what I understand, I think some people are actually using ICs, them holders, and plucking out the pins to use in their Nixie clocks. So you can either buy them or you can pluck them, but you got to get the right size. I think there's 3 different sizes of Nixie wire sizes. I believe there's 3, and then all the standoffs for the board, because it's just like this one. There's the one board there. I think, is that the high voltage board? No, this is a little different animal. So just like this one, where you got this lower one would be your Arduino board, and then you got your normal top deck running. So you would have this would be your top deck here, and then you would have your Arduino board down here. So Arduino board, and then you plug in the this little guy here with the standoffs and all that other good stuff, and then you got a nice little 6-digit clock. So that's probably my goal, is build 2 and then give 1 away to somebody. So we'll bag all this stuff off, and of course this particular kit will probably be a very time-consuming one to build, because you want to do it very carefully. And of course, you're dealing with a surface mount, so you don't want to flick them, because they'll be gone. And then you'll be looking up on Mauser the replacement part numbers so you can get more, because you flicked it on the floor somewhere and you can't find it. So we'll bag all this stuff back up, and we'll get to building it someday. Of course, a lot of this stuff's been hanging around here for years, so it might take me forever to get to it. I don't know. So we'll bag all this up and put it back in the bag. Put the board in there. Makes it easier. So we bagged up this particular clock, and we'll pretty much bag up this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.